Should you install the Windows 11 22H2 update or wait? Now that is a difficult question, so let's go ahead and break it down. If you hold down the Windows key and press the letter R, it will open up a run box. Here you just type in WinVer and hit enter. This will show you the version of the operating system that you are currently running. So for example, it might show version 21H2 instead of 22H2. Now before I could recommend that you upgrade to 22H2, I've got a question for you. Do you currently have any problems with your existing version of Windows that you're running right now? Go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know. If you're currently having problems with your existing version of Windows, you might want to go ahead and fix whatever issues that you're having first before attempting to upgrade. Now, to go over a couple of things that have been fixed in this release, Explorer has updated its underlying speech platform, and basically it will improve live captions and speech recognition, as well as fix some issues with punctuation. Another thing that was fixed with Explorer is that if you were copying some files from Google Drive and you got a error code back, then that should be fixed with this latest update as well. Now in the previous version, taskbar did have a bug with some tray icons in settings and personalization, and that should be resolved with this latest update. Now Windows Security also has a bug that was fixed, and that is where the Smart App Control, if it was preventing or blocking correctly signed applications from running, then that is also resolved as well.